Hi guys, in days and time of corona, I think we all need to be very careful about how we are handling things, and a lot of sanitization process is required in terms of sanitizing your wallets, your keys, and your clothes, right? So this is also a UV box which has basically UVC wavelength of light, which is going to help us kill the bacteria and the virus. It's a DIY, that is, it's do it yourself, and as you can see, it's working properly, and I've made it myself. And I'll just show you how it works. Is basically I've just taken a simple plastic box, right, and I've attached aluminum foil to the interior surface of it. It serves two purposes. The first one being that it reflects the light inside, and so the light is there for a longer period of time inside the contained area. And plus, UV light is really harmful for your eyes and retina and should be avoided completely. Okay, and as you can see, it is a very simple contraption, nothing which a person can't do, and it's cost me less than rupees 1000, not even 1000 I would say. So what I've taken is done is like I've taken two Philips 11 watt. I'll show you the details of it. 11 watt UVC tubes, and these are easily available as they are utilized in UV water filters and air purifiers to get rid of bacteria and virus in the air and in water. So I've taken two of these tubes, right, and I've attached them to a choke, which I'll show you, which you can easily buy, right. This you will be buying from the market with the same specification, and these two chokes are attached to a DC adapter. This is also available in the market, you can easily buy it, right, and once you bought it, you can easily attach it with a gum or a double tape. You can attach it to the box. Now you just need to add it in on the surface of it, the gum or Fevikwik or double tape, whatever you want, and you can attach these things and it will be stuck on that, right. And I've also utilized a small stool kind of a thing inside, right, so as I can put up things on it, and since there is a reflective surface down underneath it, it's going to reflect the UV light towards the back surface of this of anything. Say if it's a wallet, you can easily instead of turning it once and then again doing it for the other side, by placing this contraption inside, you can just put it for 20 minutes and the entire thing is going to be corona and bacteria free, and it's sanitized, and it's a very easy to do it yourself kind of a thing. Nothing too flashy about it, yeah, but it really works. So if you want to try it, please do try it, and you can research on the net about the benefits of UVC lights against corona and how it works, right. If anything, you can please contact me.